FDMS tutorials. This is a quick guide on how to enter cases in FDMS. First, log into the web application. On the main page, you can decide whether the case you want to enter is an at-need case or a pre-need case. Let's get started with a new at-need case. The quickest way to enter a case is by entering the mandatory fields. You can recognize mandatory fields by the red star next to them. Another way is to click the Save button, and then the system will outline them in red. You need to enter all these fields before you can save the case. The arranged date will default to today's date, but this is editable. The memorial name will pre-populate with the first name and last name, but this is also editable. Now you can click Save and the case will be entered. The system will take you to the Overview section where you can review the details of the case you just entered. You can later fill out the rest of the information from all these tabs. Now let me show you how to enter a pre-need case. To that end, let's go back to the main page by clicking on the FDMS logo. Now let's click on the new pre-need button and we will see the pre-need form. Here you can also recognize mandatory fields by the red star next to them. Otherwise, you can click the Save button and the system will outline them in red. You must fill out all these fields before you can save the case. Although these are not mandatory fields, we recommend that you enter the first name and last name of the buyer. If the buyer is also the beneficiary, you can click the Same as Buyer checkbox and the information will pre-populate. Now you can click Save on the pervasive navigation and the case will be entered. The system will take you to the Overview section where you can review the details of the case you just entered. You can also enter further information under the other tabs. And this is the end of this quick guide on how to enter cases in FDMS.